took me like 2 months setting all this up, and that if you take in count that I studied a lot before with WebSockets and those things. Bro. Okay guys, just to give you context, we're going to quickly switch. Hi, I'm Aguila Sagaz and I made a program to give chat power to mess me up. They can screw me by inversing my controllers, just like this. That's the flashing light that you will be seeing in the video, and by making my controller utterly useless for a few seconds. Just like this, a yellow steady light. I also have a flashlight that chat can activate, and I recently completed a new self-sabotage project that you can see like this. I have a Twitch channel where you can use all of this and make me suffer while I play video games or make new projects. Okay, back to the video. No! Reverse! Motherfucker! Fuck. No. No way. Shit. Fuck. No, fuck. Fuck. No, no, jump. No. No! Damn it!
Yo, I'll see you next time. Bye, Sebastian.
I couldn't do anything. I was... God damn it. Where am I? Yeah, I want that to happen, to people to mess me up. Damn man, what are you doing? Wake up? Well, I guess you don't have a school anymore. So I think it's okay then. Nice to have you here. Okay, so let's put this guy up. Okay, I'm almost done. I think this is the last one. Shit. Oh, fuck.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Goodbye. Bye, motherfucker. Late, Ilse. A little bit too late. Yeah. I already won. I need to save before something else happens. Ooh, money. What?
Nani?
I didn't know about this. And proceeds to drug me and throw me in a cage.
Yo, I'll see you next time. Bye, Sebastian.
Vengeful spirit.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
No. Oh, I don't have any more power. There we go. Return. Where am I?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Fuck. I should go down. God damn it. You don't want to fight me? That's also okay. You can sub whenever I have that activated. So little that shit. God dang it. Yeah, I'm not affiliate, that's sad. Creepers. Hey, what did... Oh fuck, I was there. I'm switching between your stream and Kovac's stream. Oh, is he streaming? Damn. Okay, so I should go right. I thought there was a floor there.
Hello there.
Hornet! Where are you living? Are you living in the USA, Dominic? In los USA? But how's the weather in Switzerland? Is it hot? Because here we are burning in hell. Mexico is just hell. Nothing. There we go. Nice. I guess I'm too good. I'm sorry that. I guess I'm just that good. It was just the best thing in the world.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Fuck. Oh shit. No, fucker. 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 Fuck. Oh. Oh. No!
Around me are familiar faces.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, and you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
What's wrong? Snake! Snake!
Jay, fuck you. Fuck you all. I hate you all. I love you all, but I hate you all. Yeah, like, the Flash was just like a demo thing. Like, I think... Oh, fuck. No, no, no. There we go. Like, I think I did... Damn it. Like, I think I did for demonstration purposes. I plan to, as I said before, do more things. Fuck. Fuck. Oh. Oh shit. Fuck. No, don't do this. Don't do me like this. Come on. Come on, don't do me like this. Yes, stand back. Stand back. Don't approach. Fuck. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, you can do it. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Heal, 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 heal. Ah, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you, fuck you. Fuck you, fuck you. Die already. Ah, fuck. Ah, nice. Hell. But I don't remember what happened, like the lights went out something and I died. I got so sad. Collection of Fools, yeah. I got so sad and I stopped playing. Come on. Okay. No! No! I should have healed. Hornet. I'm no closer, ghost. I've seen you creeping through the underground, stalking me. This old kingdom, a terrible thing awakens. I can smell it in the air. I know what you are. I know what you try to do. I can't allow it. Come on, come on. Fuck, that wasn't smart. Woo! That was really close, actually. Hello. Ah, it comes back again too. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Heal, 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 heal. Ah, that wasn't worth the last one. Nice. Ah. Oh wait, it didn't. Stop there. Ooh. Oh. No, 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 no. No, no. Ah, okay, okay, okay. Back to me. I should heal, 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 I should heal. No, 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 no. Why are you doing this? Fuck! Get away! Ah, damn it! Oh, ah, fuck you. Okay. Okay. No! Ah, I wanted to dash there, but I don't have a dash there. No! 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 Heal! 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 Fuck you! You're trying to. Ah, mistakes were made. Heal. I don't have heal. Fuck you. No. Didn't matter. No. Oof. Heal. Come on. Do stupid attack. Come on. Don't do that. There. No.
No, God!
Have I made
No,
it?
God, please, no! 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 No!
It was so fucking close. Okay, just this time. That's not a good time. Heal. Did I okay. Oh fuck. To go into that direction. Die. Wrong direction. And she jumps over it, of course. Okay. Okay, again. Wrong direction again. Bad timing. Okay. Oof, that was close. Nice. Nice. Finally. So, bye guys. See you.